Chernobyl Disaster, 1986. In 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster occurred in the Soviet Union, and it is considered the largest nuclear disaster in history. The explosion of Reactor 4 had a massive global impact and led to the deaths of thousands of people. Pripyat City. Located next to Chernobyl, Pripyat was a city where the nuclear power plant workers and their families lived. However, after the explosion, the city was completely evacuated, and today it remains an abandoned ghost town. Pripyat's Luna Park has become a haunting and fascinating symbol of a forgotten era. Radioactive biosphere. The nature in the exclusion zone around Chernobyl remains contaminated with radioactive materials even years after the disaster. Interestingly, instead of humans, wildlife has created a new ecosystem here. Despite radioactive pollution, the wildlife around Chernobyl has flourished and adapted to the harsh conditions. Ghost Town, Kapachi, located very close to Chernobyl, is another abandoned town affected by the nuclear disaster. This town was completely wiped out, leaving only a few buildings. Kapachi has become a nearly forgotten and abandoned town in history. Time stopped in Chernobyl. After the disaster, many clocks in the abandoned towns of Chernobyl stopped due to radiation. This symbolizes the sudden abandonment of the residents and the idea that time itself has come to a halt. This adds to the eerie atmosphere of the area. Chernobyl wildlife. After the Chernobyl disaster, many animals continued to live in the surrounding forests and areas despite the nuclear radiation. Today, boars, wolves, deer, and even rare bird species can be found in the Chernobyl zone, showing the resilience of nature and wildlife. Chernobyl's mysterious health effects. The health effects of Chernobyl are still being studied. After the disaster, there was an increase in health problems such as cancer, birth defects, and heart diseases caused by nuclear radiation. However, some scientists argue that the long-term effects are more complex than just the short-term consequences. Chernobyl's closed zone and legends within the Chernobyl exclusion zone. Many old buildings, abandoned equipment, and materials are still present. Some visitors to the area have reported strange occurrences and sightings. Some even claim there are ghosts or missing people within the zone, contributing to the eerie legends surrounding the area. Pripyat's Luna Park. The Luna Park in Pripyat was once intended to be a major entertainment venue before the disaster. However, just before it was to open to the public, the explosion occurred, and the park was abandoned. Today, the abandoned amusement park is famous for its haunting atmosphere. Impact of the new Chernobyl film and series. The Chernobyl miniseries released in 2019 reignited global interest in the region. The series brought both the historical and dramatic aspects of the Chernobyl disaster into the spotlight and attracted a large audience, further enhancing the public's curiosity about this tragic event.